Hello everyone. In this video we're going to do an experiment of RC coupled amplifier. So the main objective of this experiment is to study two-stage RC coupled amplifier and find out the individual gain of each stages and overall gain of two stages. So before starting the practical, let us discuss about the concept of multi-stage. So an electronic signal contains some information cannot be utilized if doesn't have proper strength. So the purpose of increasing the signal strength is called as amplification. When only one transistor is used for amplifying a weak signal, the circuit is known as single stage amplifier. So here we can see the diagram of single stage amplifier. So from this diagram we have an input section, that is we are giving the input signal to the base of the transistor, and there are two resistors, R1 and R2 resistor, and the power supply will be giving to the collector of the transistor through the collector resistor, that is RC. So we will be taking the output of this amplifier from the collector of the transistor. So here if you see the practical diagram or practical circuit, so this is the practical circuit diagram. So here we have input signal which is connected to the base of the transistor through a capacitor Cin. Then the output of the amplifier is taking across the resistor RL, and there is a capacitor Cc, that is called coupling capacitor. Then one resistor Re is connected to the emitter section to the ground. Across Re resistor one capacitor is used, that is called Ce. So from the diagram we have R1, R2 and Re. So these three resistors forms the biasing of this transistor and makes the circuit stabilize. Now we'll see one by one component explanation. So first Cin. Cin is the input capacitor. So it couples the input signal to the base of the transistor. Next is Cc. So coupling capacitor. So the main function of the coupling capacitor is to couple between the two stages. This capacitor blocks the DC of one stage to enter the other one. Only it allows the AC signal. So that's why it is also called as blocking capacitor. Next we have emitter bypass capacitor. So this capacitor is parallelly connected to the emitter resistance. The amplified AC signal is passed through this. If this capacitor is not present, the signal will pass through Re to the ground. So it will produces a voltage drop across Re that will be feedback the input signal, reducing the output voltage. Then we have a resistor of RL. So this RL is load resistor, from where we across this RL we are getting the output. Then we have different kinds of currents which are flowing across this resistor, IB, IC, IB means base current, IC means collector current, and emitter current, that is IE. Okay, so next we will talk about multi-stage transistor amplifier. So here we have an cascading connection between the two amplifiers. So here from the block diagram we can explain, we can understand, or from this block diagram we can say that we are giving an input signal, that is V1, to the first stage of the amplifier. Then this first stage amplifier output is connected to the second stage amplifier input through an coupling device, and we are taking out the output from the second stage. So the overall gain is the product of voltage gain of individual stages. So AV is denoted as the overall gain. So AV equal to AV1 into AV2. So AV1 is the gain of first stage and AV2 is the gain of second stage. So from this we can find out the overall gain of this two-stage amplifier. So first we will see what is the purpose of coupling device. So the basic purpose is to transfer the AC from the output of one stage to the input of the next stage. Secondly, to block the DC signal to pass from the output to one stage to the input to the of next stage. It means it isolates the DC condition. So there are different types of coupling amplifier circuit. So we have number one, we have resistance capacitance coupling, impedance coupling, transformer coupling, and direct coupling. So as we going to do the experiment on RC coupled amplifier, so first we will see the construction of two-stage RC coupled amplifier. So from this diagram we have we have two stages of amplifier, that is these are the CE amplifier, that is common emitter amplifier. So firstly we are giving the input to the base of the transistor of first stage amplifier through an Cin, that is capacitor. Then the output of the first stage is connected to the base of the second stage of the transistor through a capacitor Cc, which is called coupling capacitor. Then we are taking the overall output across the collector of the transistor of second stage through a coupling capacitor Cc. Now we will see the operation. Now when an AC input signal is applied to the base of the first transistor, so it will get amplified and appear across the resistor RL, which is passed through the coupling capacitor to the next stage. This becomes the input of the next stage, whose amplified output again appear across its collector load of the second amplifier. Thus this signal is amplified in stage by stage action. So this is all about the basic operation of RC coupled amplifier. So let's start the experiment. So before starting the experiment, we will go through the basic introduction of the equipment we will going to use. So this is the master unit for electrical and electronics experiments. So here, so there are different sections are there. This is the XPO CT is the code of this master unit. So there are different sections are there. So first section, that is the power supply section. So there are different sections are there for power supply. Here we have 30 volt DC variable, so we can adjust and we can give the DC voltage. And this is the section for 15 voltage DC variable DC voltage. So here there are fixed voltage section of 12 volt, minus 12 volt, plus 5 volt, and ground. And the next is we have a top board. So this section we have voltmeter, and this one is ammeter. So this is AC voltmeter. So this is the maximum range of 15 volt. So this is analog voltmeter. Next is AC ammeter. So it has a maximum range of 1 ampere. Next section is we have potentiometer of 1 kilo. So this is the 1 kilo ohm potentiometer. So this is act as a meter. Okay. Next we have an dedicated ammeter. So here we can get the current for different section of the circuit. So there is a range here. So we can get up to 200 milliampere DC current, or we can get 2 milliampere DC current. So next we have, there is a speaker connection, then we have an AC output section, then we have a variable 15 volt to 110 high voltage DC section. So this is the top board. Next is the left side, that is the DO1. So here we can give the logic indicators. So this section we can use for digital electronics experiments also. So there are the switch of high and low section. So these are called data switches. Next we have an ground section, okay, for this section. Then we can give the high voltage positive, then the negative. Then we have an PSWR switch, pulse circuit, CMOS, logic probe. Then we have a channel adapter. So this is DO1. Next we have the and the last one, that is the DTFFG1. So here there is a 4-digit 7-segment display, which will be giving an input through this probe to get the voltage. So this is an BCD to 7-segment converter. Next we have again we have an voltmeter here of a range of 2 volt, and also we can find the voltage of 200 volt DC voltage. Then we can get the this is the probe for DC voltage. So next we have a small function generator section is also there. We can give an triangular, square or sinusoidal pulse of frequency up to 1 megahertz, and this is an AM input section is also available. So this is an transistor amplifier experiment panel. So here we can do different types of amplifier circuit experiments. So most of the mainly we can do differential amplifier with AC and DC input operation, then 2-stage RC couple amplifier, then we can do transformer couple amplifier, then we can do FET amplifier, then push-pull amplifier, then we can do complementary symmetry amplifier, then switching amplifier, and many more. So we have here, so there are 6 sections are there. So this is the basic idea of transistor amplifier experiment panel. So this is the experiment for 2-stage RC couple amplifier. So the main objective is to test 2-stage RC couple amplifier and find out individual gain of each stage and also overall gain of the 2 stages of this cascade connection. So this is the connections we already made. So in this RC couple amplifier, what is the basic thing? There are 2 circuits are there, 2 amplifier circuits are there. So each circuit will be connected to the second stage of the circuit with RC couple, that is the capacitor will be there, which will be connected between the connection of 2 circuits. So in output of first stage will be connected to the input of second stage through a capacitor. So that capacitor is called coupling capacitor. So as per the procedure, we have connected the power supply to the circuit or to the panel. Then we have given the first stage, we have given an input of 1 kilohertz frequency and 1 kilohertz frequency with 20 millivolt peak to peak. So we have given this connection from the function generator. So we have this function generator, we have given 1 kilohertz frequency with 20 millivolt peak to peak. So next we have taken out the output from first stage. We have taken out the output from first stage, that is near about 250 millivolt, and the frequency is 1 kilohertz. So that is the first stage output. So that is, we can call it as output voltage 1. Next we can connect the first stage output with the second stage output through a coupling capacitor. So this is the connection we are connecting to the pin number 17 to pin number 18. That is, we have connected the cascade connection between the two amplifier circuit. Next, after that we will see the final output, that is the output of second stage to the pin number 19. So we can see here, so this is the pin 19. So we can see the output here. Just adjust the CRO. So this is the output here. So we can see here the voltage is coming here is 3.5, approximately 3.5 voltage, and the frequency is approximately 950 hertz, that is nearly about to 1 kilohertz. So this is about the experiment of RC couple amplifier. Now what we will do after that, after getting this, we will calculate this first stage gain. That is, we will be calculating the first stage gain. That is, suppose first stage gain will be of the ratio of output 1 to the input 1. So that is the gain of first one. Then next is the second stage gain, that is the output 2 to the input 2, and then we will calculate the overall gain. So this is all about RC couple amplifier.